Hello everyone watching me on YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So, I got something a little bit special today. I got a little unboxing. There's gonna be my unboxing and first impressions of this. So right away, let's dig into it, see what's inside. Well, actually, if you read the title, you'd know what's inside, so. Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Yes! So, this is the Magic Yo-Yo N9. It has Z-Stacks on it, which is quite interesting because I quite like Z-Stacks. I need a sharp edge or something. Didn't think I would need one. I got a screwdriver with a flathead on it, so I guess that'll work, right? Hopefully. There we go. Forget it. I'm just gonna try and like peel this off. Because I want to open the box cleanly. Because I've kept all the boxes for all the yo-yos I've ever owned. There we go. Ooh, this thing is nice. So let's go into the box here. So we got, what is this? Instruction manual, which is for the most part Chinese, so can't read it. Whatever, doesn't matter. Comes with a purple string, I guess, and the yo-yo. Ooh. This thing is nice. So, yeah, this is the N9 floating. You can see there. It does have these clear Z-stacks, so when you spin it, it does look like you're just holding on to nothing because of the clear. Oh, this is nice. It's got these Chinese symbols on the side. I don't know what that is. So let's put the string on it. See how it plays. Anything else? Yeah, I'm gonna check. Anything else in here? No, nothing else in there. Okay, so I've never used purple strings, so this is gonna be new for me. I might just go ahead and like put another green string on it, because I like using green strings. But if this is the same string that came with the Magic Yo-Yo, the other one that I have, the T6, then I'm gonna quite like it because I like that string. So this thing feels nice in my hand. It's smooth too. Okay. Actually, hold on. It's actually a little bit bigger than the other one. Just barely though. Same height though. All right. Let's go back a little bit. Come in the chair again. So let's see. Whoa, what the hell was that? Okay, one of the Z-stacks is not as smooth as it should be right now. Let's see. This is nice. This is really nice. So, first impressions. I really like it. Well, this Z-stack, I think it might be a little bit broken because, like if you, hold on, let me wind it. If you guys can't hear that, I need to check your speakers because listen. Yeah, that can become quite loud. I'm gonna have to like take the Z-Stack off and see what's wrong with it, because pretty sure Z-Stacks are not supposed to be that loud. Or any hub stack, or any yo-yo, ever. And when you're holding it like that, it's like super... The tighter you hold it, the louder it becomes, so... Okay. Try not to deaf you guys. Other than the Z-Stack right now, this thing is honestly amazing. I know everyone hates Z-Stacks, but I actually really like them. This is like, honestly, this is really nice. Okay. Let's see what Z-Stack it is, and then I might just go ahead and open this up. I don't know if it's just that this is brand new, or it's like one of the Z-Stack's bearings is weird. It needs to be like oiled or something. Okay, so I also got it. So it's purple with like these pink spots on it, which I thought it was really cool. I saw black and silver ones and stuff like that, and I didn't really want that because black. If it hurt the yo-yo at all, then it would actually like just show up more. So didn't want that. Try not to break it. Come on. I know you want to come off. There we go. Where did that go? It's a clear Z-Stack, so I can't see it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, is it just the bearing? I think it's the Z-Stack. Something's wrong with the Z-Stack. Let's go ahead and put this back on. That might be a little bit of an issue, because I kind of want to use these Z-Stacks. Oh, that's why I took off the wrong Z-Stack. The hell? I feel like this plastic's gonna break because, like, I'm not confident that the plastic on this is too terribly strong. Oh, whatever. I'll fix it a little later. Right now, though, I just want to play with this, so I'm gonna go do that. If you liked the video, guys, please leave a like and a comment down below. If you, well, no, actually, never mind. Yeah, if you like this, leave a like and a comment down below. If you want to see more content from my channel, hit the subscribe button, which is also down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.